The ERNI MicroSpeed miniaturized connector is suited to high-speed applications as used in telecommunications and datacom, industrial automation, or in medical technology. The connector family includes high-speed connectors and high-density arrays for rigid and flexible circuit boards, as well as power modules for the board's power supply. The product portfolio comprises connectors with 50 contacts in 2-row configurations and 7-row open pin field arrays with 91 and 133 contacts. The MicroSpeed connector is in 1 mm pitch. It was especially developed for high-speed data transfer and allows transmission speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second. The MicroSpeed triple connector with a data rate of up to 25 gigabits per second is available for increased high-speed demands. The connector is impedance matched and helps ensure high signal integrity. This provides secure data transmission. Maximum grounding and routing flexibility is given for symmetrical or asymmetrical systems. Signal transmission can occur single-ended with improved crosstalk by using ground contacts, or for differential signal transmission with horizontal or vertical signal pair arrangements and improved crosstalk. With its additional contact row, the MicroSpeed triple connector offers a very high degree of design flexibility. It enables the developer numerous terminal assignments and greater freedom in implementing applications. The MicroSpeed connector possesses excellent EMC capability. The requirements of electromagnetic compatibility represent a technical challenge in respect of shielding, particularly for right-angled connectors. Highly effective shielding of the contact rows minimizes the emitted electromagnetic interference and significantly reduces undesirable influences on sensitive components on the circuit board. Additionally, the connector achieves outstanding interference resistance attributed to shielding. This resistance to electrostatic discharge and transients was achieved by considerably reducing the coupling inductance. The blind mate connector face version possesses a very distinctive polarization feature, therefore enabling the correct execution of the plug-in process. For applications subjected to harsh industrial environments, variants with additional THR terminations are available. These absorb the mechanical stress and provide a robust solder connection. The reinforced blind mate version provides reliable mating even under difficult conditions. The MicroSpeed connector resists high shock and vibration forces. This enables safer application in rough industrial environments. The connector also resists environmental temperatures of -55 degrees Celsius up to 125 degrees Celsius with virtually no limitation. The MicroSpeed connector features a reliable dual-beam female contact which helps ensure error-free high-speed data transmission and system performance and achieves over 500 mating cycles. This connector system has a wipe length of 1.5 millimeters, enough scope for more secure contact. The wipe length can also be used for tolerance compensation between the circuit boards. The varying heights of the female connector and the male connector allow flexible board-to-board distances of 5 to 20 millimeters. This provides the application engineer with a high level of design flexibility. The dual-beam female contact design from ERNI facilitates excellent tolerance compensation, whereby several interfaces can be mated at the same time, with essentially no issue or the need for a guide pin. The ERNI MicroSpeed connector provides an impressive misalignment tolerance and allows a high angular inclination of the circuit boards. The extended capture range of both connectors helps ensure excellent operation when connecting and disconnecting a device. Therefore, this connector system is very reliable and easy to handle. The MicroSpeed surface mount contacts provide a virtually 100% coplanarity less than 0.1 millimeters and leads to excellent soldering results. The MicroSpeed connector family is one of the most versatile interconnect solutions. It offers virtually every interconnect configuration: right-angled, mezzanine, coplanar, and flexible circuit board connections. A power module was also developed for the board's power supply, which would allow currents of up to 7 ampere per contact. The power modules are available with 5 contacts and, analog to the high-speed connector, has angled or straight versions. ERNI MicroSpeed connector, the miniaturized interconnect solution for high-speed applications of up to 20 gigabit per second, helps ensure high signal integrity, performance, and error-reduced data transmission. Stands out with its excellent interference resistance and electromagnetic compatibility. And last but not least, is extremely reliable and is usable for fully automated assembly processes.